Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman-American's YouTube channel. And this morning we're looking at the front boot. Now, this is the lower cowling to the front strut boot that we're talking about. This is an original, and as you can see, the holes are getting torn, but we're not really concerned about that one, being 40-something years old, because we have right here a brand new one. And these are available from Yankee Aviation or Fletch Air. We have them in stock, and we're going to be installing this black one, which is the color the customer wants. And believe it or not, we actually do have one more white one. So that's how you change those out. You just simply remove the front strut, which comes out for your annual. This slides off, new one slides on, we bolt it back into place, and we are done. So we hope you found all that useful and informative. Here's the new one waiting to go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.